it's Jen Delisle with Keller Williams and Inspire Realty Group. We're here today at our newest listing at 10 Muirfield Road in Bedford, New Hampshire at the beautiful Village Green. These are detached and attached condominiums located centrally in town. Fantastic development. Come inside and take a look. This property has an open concept floor plan with cathedral ceilings in the family room, wood-burning fireplace, and flows nicely into the adjacent dining area. The spacious kitchen has granite, plenty of cabinets, and a pantry. The sunny primary suite flows into a full bathroom with double vanity. The home is complete with 2 additional bedrooms and an additional full bath. Nestled in one of Bedford's most sought-after maintenance-free communities, the Village Green is minutes to the Manchester Airport, Manchester Country Club, and 1 hour to the seacoast, mountains, lakes region, and Boston. We hope you enjoyed the sneak peek tour of 10 Muirfield over at Village Green. If you have any questions or you'd like to set up a showing, please reach out. We're really excited to show this home.